everyone. This is 2022 10A number 6. We have an absolute value there, okay? So you understand inside over here, a minus 1 square. This is equivalent a minus 1, okay? If a is greater than 1, okay, that's going to just write positive a minus 1. If a is less than 1, inside the negative, okay, so that is one more, put the negative sign there, okay? Negative a minus 1 equals what? 1 minus a. It's okay. Or you can switch this one because this number is actually equals to 1 minus a, okay? That's right. Because a is greater than a, this is just 1 minus a. You can use this one, okay? Okay, now take a look at here. This one equals to absolute value 1 minus, that is 1 minus a, isn't it? So you have to a minus 2 minus 1 minus a absolute value. That's it. Okay, so a minus 2 minus 1 plus a. This is what? 2a minus 3. But still we know that 2a is less than 3, right? So maybe you could switch this one, 3 minus 2a. That's equivalent, but this is okay. Okay, a is negative, it's going to be positive, right? We don't need absolute value. So 3 minus 2a is the answer, okay? Choice A is the answer. Remember, right? This is equivalent, or you can use what? X squared is equals to absolute value of x, okay? All right, number 7 over here, the least common multiple of positive number n and 18. So least common multiple 18 or n and 18 equals to 180. The next one is GC divide, okay? So you can use GCD or GCF, that's the same thing, okay? So n sorry, 45 equals to 15. So you can take a look at GCF first, okay? So when you have two numbers n and 45, okay, GCF is 15, so they're gonna have right some two numbers, but these two numbers are relatively prime, no common factor. That's why this is right greatest common factor, okay? Okay, so the value b equals what? 45 divided by 15 is about 3. But to be relatively prime, this value of a can be 1 or 2, 2 and 3 is relative prime, and 3 is not good, they have a common factor 3, or 4, or 5 is okay, 6 is not good, 6 and 3, they have a common factor 3, right? Or 7 is okay, keep continue until you find the answer, okay? But you're gonna find the least common multiple, right? The value n over here. What is these numbers? If age 1, n is 15, right? If age 1, n is 15. So find out the least common multiple is 180, okay? Check it out. LCM of 15 and 18. This one equals what? 3 is move out, right? Common factor is out. Inside is what we have a 5 and 6 that are relative prime. When you multiply all this number equals what? 90. That is not equals to 180. Now check out the next one. When n is 2, when age 2, n is 30, right? So LCM 30 and 18. So this number common factor is 6 over here, but inside is 5 and 3, okay? When you multiply all this number, still 90. That is not 180, okay? Keep going to the next one, 4 over here. When age 4, n equals now 15 times 4 is 60. So LCM of 60 and 18, okay? So 6 is common, right? 6 is out, inside is 10 and 3. When you multiply all three numbers, it's gonna be 180. That's true, okay? So the value of n must be equals 60, okay? So what is the sum of digits? 6 plus 0 is 6 is the answer, okay? That is number 7. Okay, move on number 8 over here. A data set consists of 6 not distinct, okay? Sometimes they are equals, positive integers, 1, 7, 5 to 5, and x. There are 6 numbers there. The average of 6 numbers equal one of these values in the data set can be 1, the next one is 2, the next one is 5, same number, the next is 7, or the last number is x. it should be one of these numbers. Okay? So the question of you, what is the sum of all positive value of x? Okay? We're going to find over here, positive value of x. Okay, now check it out. What is the sum of all these numbers? 8, 13, 15. Can you see over here? 8, 13, 15, 20, right? 20 plus the sum of the number is 20 plus x. When you divide the 6, it can be 1 or 2 or 5 or 7 or x. You multiply 6 over here. Looks like this one. 20 plus x equals, it can be 6 or 12 or 30 and 42 or 6x. Okay, first we can try this one because this one is the x over here, okay? So minus 2 over here from here. This is separate. Minus 20 all the side. Minus 20, minus 20, minus 20, minus 20, okay? So x equals, it can be negative 14, negative 8, 10, positive 10, and what this is what? 22, right? But x is a positive number. It can be negative number over here, okay? So we have two number value of x, 10 or 22. The next one over here, 20 plus x, that is 20 plus x should be equals to 6x. That is 5x equal 20. From here we can find another one more value of x. X is 4, right? So this is our possible value of x. So sum of this one, 10 plus 20, 32 plus 4 is what? 36 is the answer, okay? That is number 8. Okay, so we're gonna try number 9. Okay, number 9 is okay. All right, a rectangle is partitioned into 5 regions. So each region is to be painted a solid color. The red, orange, yellow, blue, and green. Okay, so that regions are painted different colors. Okay, we can use right same color here and here, here and here, here and here. Okay, all right. So there's 5 colors. I'm going to use okay the numbers for each color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of it. There's 5 possible in first region. I'm going to do the first region, second, and third. This is the fourth, and this is 5 region. Okay. So what about number 2 up there? If first one use what number 1 over here. So number 2 only what 2, 3, 4, 5 available, right? 2, 3, 4, and 5 available. So I'm going to write down over here. 2, 3, 4, and 5 available. 4 numbers available, okay? So if you got 2 there, now take it out to this side. What happens? If you use number 2 in case, in this time, so I'm going to use number 2 and second region, okay? So 4 cannot have a number 1 and 2, only available at 3, 4, 5, isn't it? Okay, because the 1 and 2 left, this one, we only have 3, 4, 5. Okay, now take a look at this number 3 region over here. Okay, 1 is over here, we cannot use the 1 inside, okay, so it can be 2, 3, or 4, or 5. Okay. But if we choose 2 over here, okay, but it depends over here. This is the number 3 over here. If we use number 3 up here, okay, because there's only one choice, 4, 5, 3, and 4, and 5, all right? But if we choose number 3, we cannot use the number 3 over here, okay? This is out. So we have only what? 2 and 4 and 5 available, 3 numbers. Is it okay? Okay, this number is okay, right? Because this one is all together, they are different, it's far away. So this number can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we use this one, okay, separate. But this time 2 is we use that, so we cannot use it 2. We cannot use the number 3, this is neighborhood, number 3, okay? That's another, only 3 possible numbers there, okay? So region 1 is 5 possible numbers, 5 times. Region 2 is about 4 numbers. Region 3 is only 3 numbers. Region 4 is 3 numbers. This one also 3 numbers. Okay? So this is 20. This is 27. Total is about 540. Okay? Yeah, that's the answer. Okay, thank you. I'll show you in next video. Okay?